When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor. And that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet? Soak mothballs in fabric softener. This trick will save you money. You won't be spending as much anymore. Thanks to this, your home will never be the same again. All you need are mothballs. A small package of such balls is enough. Take out just 3 balls. Take a piece of paper towel, place the mothballs on it. Wrap them and crush them with a kitchen hammer into a fine powder. Transfer the crushed mothballs into a large bowl, one that you use for cleaning or laundry. Pour in a liter of warm water. Stir the powder to dissolve. Add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Pour in 2 measures of concentrated fabric softener. This will make its pleasant scent more intense. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. And that's it. Just pour in another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a large 2-liter bottle. Make a hole in the cap. This will make using the liquid easier. This liquid is the best floor cleaner, and it's true. It cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects. It also leaves a pleasant scent, but the biggest advantage of this liquid is the mothballs. Thanks to them, the mixture repels all insects, not just moths. The scent of these balls also repels bed bugs, silverfish, and even mice. You no longer have to buy expensive floor cleaners. You also don't have to buy additional products to repel insects and rodents. This homemade liquid is enough. You can use it on all the floors in your home, especially on the bathroom floor, kitchen floor, or by the front door. I'm sure this liquid will be most useful to you. Tea will clean your floors. This trick will leave you with shiny, spotless floors you could eat off of. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. Start by making tea. Prepare it as usual, but use 3 bags of black tea. Drop them into a cup and pour boiling water over them. Wait for it to cool. Then, pour water into a bucket and add the prepared tea. Now grab your mop and clean the floor. This trick will make the surface cleaner than ever. Wash every room like this, and your floors will shine without any chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Lay it on the carpet and iron it. Mysterious stains of unknown origin will disappear. Cream-colored carpets with light patterns get dirty very easily. Stains appear on them from who knows where. I was already frustrated with these stubborn stains until I discovered this clever little trick that worked like magic. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water. After thoroughly mixing the solution, soak a cloth in it. Then place the wet cloth on the stain on the carpet. Turn on the iron and run it over the cloth for a few seconds. The iron shouldn't be too hot so as not to melt the carpet fibers. The vinegar solution dissolves the stain, and the heat from the iron helps lift the stain from the carpet fibers. This method turned out to be surprisingly effective on stains that I didn't know where they came from, and much easier than other techniques I tried. The stains that plagued my carpet disappeared. The carpet is finally clean. If you're dealing with mysterious stains and nothing seems to work, I highly recommend trying this simple and effective method. It's a great solution using things you probably already have at home. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. A pot lid will make your carpet look like new in just a few minutes. Take a large bowl and place a laundry capsule inside. Pour hot water over it. Laundry capsules effectively remove various stains and can be used on many materials. Wait a few minutes until the capsule dissolves completely and the water cools down a bit. Grab a pot lid of any size. For this trick, you'll also need a cloth, preferably microfiber. Soak the cloth in the prepared water with the capsule and wring out the excess water. Spread it out and place the pot lid on top of it. The cloth should be larger than the lid. Tie the cloth over the top of the lid with a rubber band or string to keep it from slipping off. Use this makeshift tool to clean carpets by moving it in circular motions across the surface. Stains and dirt will disappear, and your carpet will be clean in no time. You can also use this method to remove dirt from upholstered chairs or sofas. This way, you'll not only have clean furniture, but also a pleasant fragrance filling your home. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased.